Okay, I'm going to talk to movie makers who I have a tremendous amount of respect for. Now, if you have just finished making your movie or just acquired a movie somehow, and you're still thinking that maybe you're going to get regular distribution and get sold to TV and things like that, then probably we're not really quite ready for you yet, because we're just starting. But if you have a movie that you made a little while ago, let's say, and it's pretty much had its shot at whatever it was going to get, and you just didn't feel like it got to see, or as many people as would have liked it got to see it, then now would be a time for you to put it on our website, because other people will get to see it. And that would be good, I think, for the movie, probably. If people liked it, that might catch on, that would be a good thing. So if you are that kind of a movie maker, or even if you don't own the movie, because really what we're talking to, a movie maker could be a writer, or a director, or an actor, or a cinematographer, and all of those people will be very important in the scheme of things in promoting the movie, which is very important. I mean, you might be a star of it, and it would be the most important thing for you to have that movie become a hit, but you don't really own it, so you can't really sign it up. But maybe the person who does own it is kind of tired of it, they've worked on it for a long time, and they've given up on it. You could call them up and say, could I try this? It's not going to cost them anything. It doesn't cost any movie makers anything. They just put it up, and then they commit to giving a percentage to the people who pass the movie around. Probably 25%. We haven't exactly determined that, I don't think. Isn't that right, Kate? Yes, it's not been completely decided how much the percent will be. We're going to have some discussion boards for movie makers to decide about how much percent they think it would be worth giving to people, and you decide how much you want to charge. Right now, really, all that can be sold are DVDs, because they don't have streaming and things like that that are really accessible, unless you know how to do that. We will direct people to your site, and then you can tell them how they might get to buy the movie, probably by DVD, I think. That's probably the way it's going to work for now, I think.